Are you guys are on diet and still craving for some sweet? Then dates are best option for you. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Dates are rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium, zinc and iron and many other nutrients. With these nutritional benefits, dates are healthier for human beings. Foods that are rich in fiber and potassium reduce the risk of heart stroke. Therefore, dates have been suggested. There are a lot of health benefits of date. It can improve eye vision, treating anemia, weight loss, strengthens the bone, promotes the digestion and heart diseases. After knowing this many benefits of date, don't you wish to include dates in your diet? Dates are more sweet to eat. We cannot consume 3 at a time. So try out these amazing recipes. These recipes are very much simple with simple ingredients. Let's get started with making this simple kheer. Dates kheer is amazing and take few dates, cut it one side and just open and remove the seed and repeat this step for each and every date like that. Just cut, remove the seed and add it to a bowl. Let's do. Take a cupful of dates and grind it. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. 1 tablespoon I added. Another tablespoon I will add it. After adding 2 tablespoons of ghee, I will add 1 cup of grinded dates into the pan. After adding grinded dates into the pan, now I will add a cup of milk into it. Add slowly, little by little. Mix well. The stickiness of the dates will be there, so mix it properly. Mix the milk and date mixture well. After giving a nice mix, again I am going to add a cup of milk to adjust the consistency so that the kheer should not get thick. Again I am going to mix well and cook for some times. Keep stirring so that it will not get stick to the pan. It will. Now I will add few chopped dry fruits which I have chopped before, some almonds, nuts, pista, everything. It will enhance the taste of your kheer. So add dry fruits to it. If you don't have dry fruit, just skip it. Dates kheer halwa is ready. It is simple and very yummy. Keep it in fridge. You can store it and eat daily one spoon and enjoy it. Let's get started with making dates laddu. It's super easy and yummy. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. After adding a 2 tablespoons, just spread it everywhere in the pan. Add dry fruits which I have chopped and give a nice mix in the ghee. Smells nice. Give a nice mix well in the ghee and lightly when they turns to brown, just add a cup of dates which you have grated. Now mix well the dates and plus nuts. Apply some pressure and now I am adding a bit of 1 tablespoon of milk so that it can give nice mix. Now we are going to make laddu. Out of it, just I am going to transfer this into a clean plate. Just apply some oil to your hands and start making laddus. Just roll in between your hands. See, like this. Laddu is ready. I am just topping all this laddu with some sesame seeds. This laddu are super healthy and nutritious. Just make it on Sunday. Store it in fridge. You can daily eat one. It will having the less sweet content so that the dates won't give more sweetness to your mouth. Thank you guys for watching this simple date recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to my channels. Every week twice I upcome with new videos related to health and it benefits. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep watching.